There are many symptoms that tell us that our plants are not well. Wilted or yellowish leaves, stagnant growth, only a few flowers growing, or collapsing when it's a little windy. So, here are 5 tips to bring your plants back to life. 1. First things first, water and light. Make sure your plant gets enough light and the correct amount of water it needs to thrive. Be very careful about overwatering. 2. Provide sufficient nutrients but don't overdo it. In addition to water and light, providing mineral nutrients on a regular basis is also essential for good growth. Always check for the correct doses because an overdose can be just as bad as a deficiency. 3. Acknowledge the deficiency and act against it. You can consult our guides on the main nutritional deficiencies and how to counteract them on our social networks. Links to the posts are in the description. Check them out for more info. 4. Only use high-quality substrates. A good substrate which is free of pathogens and has a correct pH is essential for your plants to grow perfectly. Good aeration is also important. 5. Last and most important, listen to your plants. Each crop is different, and therefore the most important thing is to see how each plant responds to your care and being able to tailor it to their needs. And of course, follow us on social networks to stay informed about plant care.